The PLUSINNO V6 fishing rod holders use a clever clamping design that grips a wide range of rod and combo diameters securely without needing constant adjustment. A tough polymer frame paired with soft textured silicone pads gives these holders an impressive balance of strength and gentle contact, so even heavier saltwater setups feel well supported. Each spring-loaded slot holds the rod firmly enough to stop sliding or spinning, yet releases smoothly so you are not wrestling your gear out of the rack. With space for 6 rods or combos in under 17 inches of wall area, the vertical layout turns wasted garage or cabin wall space into genuinely tidy storage. Pre-spaced mounting holes line up with standard wall studs, making installation straightforward and solid enough that the rack does not flex or wobble under load. The clean, modern look and modular ends let you line up multiple racks in a neat row, creating an organized display that also makes an excellent gift for any angler who owns several rods.